Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, CPI is over and market from this candle after CPI. And those who were holding buy position, hope you made some good money. And those who took buy after CPI, hope you made good money too, because the move lasted for quite some time. Sometimes we just get to see spikes, because of which we get trapped. But yesterday the move lasted for quite some time, because when the news came out, okay, gold was trading around 2381, then it went up till 2395, where I exited, and later on the move continued till 240607, and then okay, it went up. Okay, so I was happy till 2395, so I exited on 2395, and ultimately it made a high of 2425. So I believe that who were in long position, okay, you did well. And those who took a sell, okay, probably you are in tension right now because you made a mistake, because you went against the trend of the market. But most importantly, today is also a very important day. Why today is important day? Okay, because if you look at the economy calendar, we can see only Michigan consumer sentiment. It is not a major event that brings craziness or extreme volatility to the market. But today is Friday. What? Friday. I posted this in the morning WhatsApp group that we have Michigan consumer sentiment during the US session, which is not a major event. But previous Fridays have been disastrous because of unexpected volatility. Be careful. If one or two SL hits, then please stop trading for the week. So this thing is applicable for you guys as well. If you see that market is unpredictable, market is volatile, levels are not working properly, okay, just stop trading for the week. Because we are traders, we should only trade when we understand the market properly. You don't need to trade all the time, each and every day. So let's look at the market sentiment first. Gold set for third straight weekly gain. Gold fell below 2410 per ounce on Friday after rising nearly 2% in the previous session, but is set to notch a third straight weekly gain supported by softer than expected inflation figures for the US. Headline inflation slowed more than anticipated to a one-year low of 3% in June, while the annual core measure dropped to a three-year low of 3.3%. Gold eases but set for weekly gain as Fed rate cut bets boost appeal. So this is the ongoing market sentiment, and because of which gold is bullish. So my dear friend, if you have any ongoing buy position, you can be on the buy position. If you are looking for fresh position, then yes, it is better and safer for us to be on the buy position only. And those who are stuck in sell position, try to exit at retracement, because already market is showing retracement. If the retracement continues, try to exit around 2400 2395. If you are having a sell position around 236070, chances of market coming to that level is very less as of now. Okay, so let's discuss the trading opportunities for the day then. Ta-da! Okay, my dear friends, we can see that right now gold is standing at FIBO 0.236. So if you have taken a buy position, then you can be on the buy position. Personally, I have not taken any buy position yet, because to be honest, I'm not a big fan of the first FIBO level, which is 0.236. I prefer to take position around 0.382, 0.5 or 618. So if you have a buy, we can already see market is taking support. If gold bounces from here, well and good. Okay. But if the drop continues, then we have the next support around 2396 to 2393. Remember 2393? 2393 was the previous strong high made by the market. Okay, this one, 2393. So this is the level, okay, where we can hope that the previous resistance will be working as support. Along with that, we also have FIBO 38.2. If the volatility of the market remains like this, because we can see that market is not crazy volatile right now. If the volatility of market remains like this will be our first support. Already this is our first support, but okay. But for my love for these levels, okay, we are considering this level as our first support. 2396 to 2393. This is our first support on the chart of gold, or we can say reliable support. Okay, and then we have second support around 2387.50 to 385.50. Okay, this is the second support on the chart of gold where we can look for a support because of FIBO 50 plus. Same concept here also, previous resistance will be working as support. And usually, okay, in this type of market situation where the market is extremely bullish, the support levels are stronger, so we can expect the market to take the support around these areas. So 239693 and 2387.50, 2385.50, these are the two levels where we can look for a buy position or at least a good bounce around this area. And if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously we cannot force the market. Okay, come. Okay, no, we cannot do it in that case. Okay, we can look for a buy at breakout. Obviously, buy at retracement is safer in comparison to buy at breakout. But if market doesn't come, obviously we cannot help it. In that case, we can look for a buy above 2425. Okay, but one thing you need to keep in mind that it is a little bit riskier buy at breakout, so always follow proper risk management. And if you're looking for stop loss, your stop loss should be between 40 to 60 pips. So plan your trades accordingly. Okay, and where is the next big resistance? The next big resistance on the chart of gold is around 2450. In this market condition, I don't think so. Okay, no matter how bullish gold is, it should not break 2450. Okay, personally I will be looking for a sell around 2450. Already I have a sell limit at 2450. And my dear friends, if my videos bring value in your trading journey, then please hit the like button because that boosts my motivation. Okay, and right, now we are on the 50 minutes time frame here. Okay, this is the 50 minutes chart of gold in front of us. You can see that on 15 minutes time frame also, okay, the same levels are visible in front of us. So usually we get frequent trading opportunities or more trading opportunities on lower time frame, but in this time frame we can clearly see that, okay, on 15 minutes time frame also same trading opportunities are only available. So try to stick to the levels. Do not trade on the middle of the chart. You will be trapped. Okay, and my reference, if you're looking for a broker, forex broker, okay, reliable forex broker, then you can visit my website. The link will be in the description. I have explained, okay, how to choose the right forex broker. So you should read this article. You will get the basic idea, okay, whether your broker is for fulfilling all the points or not. Okay, and if you're looking for an option, then you can, okay, choose any of these options here. Okay, you will get some reliable brokers. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, and be careful. Friday can be dangerous.